So, you know, you can use this to create, according to the package, 18 hours of warmth. But did you know you can use this and this to create an unlimited amount of fire, depending on how much firewood you have. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. And also 2 other hand warmer game-changing hacks. So I'll be showing you 2 other game-changing hand warmer hacks. Boy, try saying that 5 times fast. I know what y'all really want to see. You don't really care probably about seeing how to thaw water with a hand warmer, kind of self-explanatory, or how to try to keep your electronics alive with a hand warmer in cold weather environments. What you want to see is how you can make fire. So, if you want to see that, just skip ahead to 9 minutes and 22 seconds. That's where it starts. Thank you for watching. Product description's down in the description thing. Product link is in the description. Before we get to that, I want to show you the other 2 first. That one's just the coolest one, so we're going to save that for last. A little bit of icing on the cake, a little bit of incentive to watch the whole thing. It's not going to be a long video, but stay posted. I promise you will benefit from this one. 1 hour.
Just stay for a little while. Got myself free falling deep into your eyes. You came to me without warning, but I knew why. I wish I could stop time. Stay in this moment, never think about.
They're both fully charged to 100%. We're going to put this on one of them and that on the other, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to throw these in the freezer too for 1 hour to see what it looks like. 1 hour, we're going to come back and check if we can still drink one and not drink the other. Shouldn't freeze that quick, but we'll see. Just going to do it like that. That's all. Nothing special. We'll come back and check at 4 o'clock. All right, so we're a half hour in. I'm gonna go ahead and crack this freezer open, let you see what I see. There'll still be another half hour, so that we're gonna do this for. We're gonna keep them in here for an hour. I don't know if you can see that, that says 84. This one doesn't really feel all that warm. Still at 100. Doesn't feel warm at all. What's going on there? Still liquid. Still liquid. All right, no change. So I just did a quick check. We're a little over a half hour in on this experiment. The freezer is a Whirlpool. It's a Whirlpool fridge freezer combo. It's set at setting 4. I know that's below freezing. Don't know how far below freezing. There's some places I could look up the manual. I got to put in all these numbers. I'm not going to do that, but I know it's below freezing. So far, there's no change. The phone without the hand warmer on it is definitely getting more frosty than the other one, and the water is no different. So hopefully in an hour, we'll have some conclusive evidence. If not, we're going to keep going. We're going to figure this thing out, and hopefully this benefits you if you're in a survival situation. Yes, we all know it's cold outside. It's winter. There's no leaves on the trees, and supposedly this, what the hell is it called? Some kind of Arctic tornado thing, or some Arctic weather is supposed to collapse, some spinny thing in the North Pole, and we're supposed to have a horrible winter this year. So please pay attention to this video, because God forbid you need it to save your life. This is an opportunity for me to make money, my first ever, so I appreciate your patience, and hopefully these results prove true. The product that I'm describing to you is available in the description below. I would greatly appreciate it if you'd use my affiliate link. I mean, you can get a pack of a bunch of them for like $8, and they could very well be life-saving. I mean, It's not going to be as good as like a satellite phone that's hardened to EMP and weather resistant, built into a special enclosure that can go 600 feet below water. It's not going to be anything like that, you know. It's not your cookie cutter solution. However, it is a solution. It's a product that I do believe in. I know what it can do. I have friends and family that have dealt with homelessness, and I've dealt with a lot of cold myself, of my own free will, of course. And I think that if even you don't see that you have a use for this, but you know somebody who maybe stands at the corner looking for help, for whatever their motivation is, people that are unhoused are going to be dealing with a whole lot of struggle this winter. Maybe pick up a bag, hand some out. If you see somebody begging for change, hand them some hand warmers. You know, you might save their fingers this winter. You know, there's a lot of good things that can be done with this. You could also give them as stocking stuffers. It's a great gift idea. So hit the link below, please. Okay, so here we go. Let's take a look. All right. Let's see here. Still says 84, a half hour later. You really don't feel that warm, gotta be honest. It still says 100. Water. No change. All right. Come back again in another hour. See what happens. We're at 1 hour and 45 minutes on this one. Still at 84%. Pretty good considering it's freezing. So it's finally at 99. Clearly this is going to take a while. 4 hours later, here we are. $96. No, lovely. So ironically, after doing some research, letting these things sit here for 4 hours trying to make this video, both of the bottles are equally frozen. And both of the phones are discharging in the cold at about the same rate. And I'm wondering to myself, what's going on here? I've done this before outside and it worked just fine. And it clicked on me that this has one hell of a seal. See that? It's a good solid seal. Listen to this thing shut. It's like, sometimes it doesn't want to open. So Whirlpool makes a good fridge freezer combo. We know that. I'm not selling that product. It's not my goal to do that. However, the decreased amount of oxygen inside that compartment and the excessively cold air temperatures from there seem to have thwarted my hot hands hand warmers. They don't feel like they ever really activated. They get clumpy when they activate. They're not clumpy. Here's what I'm doing now. Everything's been frozen. These two comparatively. One with hot hands, the other one now thawing quite quickly. Water, no hot hands, no temperature. This one here with there's already noticeable condensation in this bottle. This one's still a frozen solid chunk. It's after approximately 7 or 8 minutes of being out of the freezer. So we're going to see how this looks in another 7 minutes. We'll check on it at 7:45. Pretty watery. Super watery. The winner, without a doubt. Hot hands hand warmers. Now for the part in the video I've all been waiting for. For my next trick, go ahead and, oh, it's already torn. Let me go ahead and open this up. Take a look at this here. This is your typical Hot Hands 18-hour hand warmer. And this is a Q-tip. So we're going to pull all that cotton off of there. And the tips, see that? Kind of fluff it a little bit. Kind of wanted to have a nice and even little blanket whenever we put these together. So maybe a little bit like that. Fluffed. Okay. A little more right there. There. Deep into your eyes. The idea is that it will hold the contents of the hand warmer pack inside of it. We're going to twist it into a little bitty log.
I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going on, just stay with me for a little while. Stay in this moment, never think about going on, just stay with me for a little while.
It's going fast. Come on. Gotta get outside. Might be a little challenging in wind. Let me grab my Tinder bundle. Forgot my Tinder bundle.
We could stay to watch the sunrise. Cancel all our plans. We don't need a reason why we just can't. I wish I could stop time. Stay in this moment, never think about going on, just stay with me for a little while. Got myself free falling deep into your eyes. Came to me without warning, but I knew why. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going on, just stay with me for a little while. Stay in this moment, never think about going on, just stay with me for a little while.
Ooh, I dropped my coal down in there.
Later on in the night,
Shit.
when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight.
Need my phone. phone for a better picture.
till dawn.
Get my other camera.
We could stay to watch the sunrise. Cancel all our plans. We don't need a reason why we just can't. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Got myself free falling deep into your eyes. You came to me without warning, but I knew why. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk on the moonlight till dawn. We could stay to watch the sunrise.
I'm gonna be really honest. It took me quite a few tries to do this before it actually worked. And I was using paper as my Tinder bundle, which might not have been the best idea. However, it worked. It got a little cherry in there, got a little coal built up. And it was weird because it looked like it was more of like a chunk of where that iron was. And I think if I did something different next time, I would probably smash those little clumpy bits of that hand warmer mix down into more of a powder before I put them inside the cotton. But, you know, it worked. There you go. Hold on, coffee time. I'm locked out. Thank God that worked.
Stay in this moment.